Sea turtles are marine reptiles that have existed on Earth for millions of years. These creatures are well known for their long migrations, their role in marine ecosystems, and the various threats they face, which include habitat destruction, poaching, and climate change. But how many species of sea turtles are recognized? The leatherback is the largest of all living sea turtles and the only member of the family Dermochelidae. It can be identified by its lack of a bony shell. Instead, it has a leathery carapace with longitudinal ridges. Leatherbacks have been found in the tropical and subarctic waters, with their distribution being the widest among all sea turtle species. Recognizable by its smooth, heart-shaped carapace and greenish body fat, from which it gets its name. This species is primarily found in tropical and subtropical waters, particularly in seagrass beds where it feeds. Known for its large head and reddish-brown shell, it is the most abundant of all the world's large sea turtles. Loggerheads are cosmopolitan, inhabiting the temperate and tropical regions of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. The hawksbill turtle has a distinctive pattern of overlapping scales on its shell that form a serrated look on the edges alongside a bird-like beak. They are primarily found in coral reefs, where they feed on sponges and other invertebrates. The smallest sea turtle, it has a triangular-shaped head and a carapace that is almost as wide as it is long. This critically endangered species primarily lives in the Gulf of Mexico and is known for its mass nesting events, called arribadas. Similar to the Kemp's ridley, but slightly larger and with a more heart-shaped carapace that tints towards olive green. Olive ridleys are also known for their mass nesting and have a more widespread distribution in tropical and subtropical waters. Named for its flat carapace, which is unlike the curved shells seen in other species, the flatback is native to the continental shelf of Australia. It has limited distribution, found mainly in the coastal waters of Australia and Papua New Guinea. Some alarming statistics involve the conservation status of these majestic creatures. 6 of the 7 sea turtle species are classified by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, as vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered. The green sea turtle, for instance, is listed as endangered, with its global population continuously threatened by human activities. Only the flatback sea turtle is classified as data deficient due to insufficient information about its population status. The conservation of these species is crucial. Sea turtles are not only important to marine biodiversity, but also to cultural significance for many coastal communities around the world. Determined efforts are being made internationally to protect sea turtles through various legislations and conservation programs, reducing bycatch in fisheries, protecting critical habitats, and cracking down on illegal trade of turtle products. Understanding the diverse species of sea turtles is a fundamental step towards championing their conservation and ensuring that these ancient mariners continue to navigate the world's oceans for generations to come.